Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the purslane that I'm growing, and I'm going to show you how I collect seed, and I also want to show you what the seed pods look like as well as what they look like when they're dispersing their seeds. So as you can see right here, you can see there are these little things on the end of it right here. Those are pods. Those pods break in half and the bottom part falls away, and then you're left with something that looks like that black thing right there. That is a whole pocket full of seeds, and here's some that already dispersed most of the seeds. This is what they look like when they're fully dispersed, and here's one where the seeds are just pouring out of the center of it. So a lot of people ask me if I can provide seed for the purslane that I grow. So I figured I would let it grow out like I'm doing here, and I'll harvest seed. Now I did it this way on purpose because I want the seed that comes off of this plant to be very easy to get seed from. If not, I'm going to be on my hands and knees trying to grab seeds that are about maybe a quarter of the size of a poppy seed, which are very tiny and it could be a lot of work to try to get seed from it if you're going to get them off the ground. So by doing it this way, I am now able to harvest a seed relatively pretty easily, and I will be able to offer seed on my website. So as you can see here, I'm starting to collect seed, and I will blow away the chaff, but you can see all that black poppy seed stuff right there is all seed. And basically what I do is I just simply stick it underneath. Can't do it with the camera in one hand, but like for example, I just stick it underneath and I shake it off, and all those seeds come out and other pods break open, and you can see I have hundreds of pods on here, seeds coming out everywhere. I am going to have a purslane problem down here next year. But that's basically what I do. I just stick my thing underneath, I wait for the pods to crack open, and then I just shake them free and I get a whole bunch of seed in there like you see there. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the seed that I collect for the purslane. I will offer them again on my website. You could go check it out on there. Somewhere it'll be, you'll be able to find it, and you'll be able to buy seed for purslane if you so desire. Alright, so that was it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.